Hi, today I will show you how easy it's to install a Quooker kitchen tap. You already see here all the pieces, the faucet and the water tank. This system it's called by the name Pro Free. That means you have only boiling water with this tank. Now you can see the water tank, the Quooker tap. This one is called Flex. Then we have the power supply, specially made for Quooker, and we have the water valve for the tank. First of all, we have to assemble this tap with all his pieces. And here you can see it's all made with colors blue and red, and you also have here blue and red. And for the third pipe you have just this one, it's another measure. First of all, I will connect the blue one, the cold water. It's very easy to connect all the pipes. I will turn it now and we can connect the red one. Sorry about my English, I hope you will understand everything. Okay, now the third one. Okay, now we are ready to put the faucet into the hole and connect it downstairs. Right, now we have to fix it downstairs with these pieces. First of all we put this one, then this one, then this one, and then we will tighten it with these two screws. Now we are ready for the water connection, for the valve for the water. this valve you need to install on the cold water here with this small filter. Now you can see I also already connected the cold water and the hot or warm water. Now we have to connect the hot water pipe with the tank. Okay. On the other side of this pipe you have this white. It's for the faucet. I will show you later how it's work. Now we have to connect also the water supply of the water tank. Now here you can see the water supply is connected with the water tank. Now we have to connect the pipes for the hot water. Now we have just to connect the pipes for the hot water, this one and this one. Okay. Now it's connected everything. Now we just have to connect the electronic part to the water tank. Now it's everything connected. You see the white, and if you pull out the sprayer it will go automatically with the white. See, with the width. Perfect. Now I will open the water supply. First the warm water, then the cold water, and we can see if everything is okay. Now we can fill up the tank with the cold water. You can hear the tank is filling. And here we can check the cold water and the hot water. Now I will connect also the special power switch, and you can see here Quooker tank. Then if you have the Quooker cube with the sparkling and cooled water, and this is the universal for the kitchen. Power is also connected, and we can try to fill this tank, to pull out the air and use our cooker. To try it you have press twice and turn to the left. 1, 2 and turn to the left. Now this is the filter water, and now we pull out all the air we have in the system. Here are all the tools used in this video, and you will find all them in the Amazon links down below. Now we have to turn on the tank like this, And now you will see this red light. That means the cooker water tank is heating the water for us. Now we can make a try. Boiled water is coming already, and if you pull out the sprayer when the hot water is going, it will stop. It's the safety of the cooker tap. If you have any questions of this kind of work, you can write me into the comments. Thank you for watching and subscribing my channel.